The new president and CEO of Sanford Health says that he fully supports a statewide mask mandate for South Dakota. Bill Gasson is getting settled into his new leadership position after Sanford and Kelby Krabenhoff parted ways on Tuesday. Gasson says everyone needs to follow CDC guidelines, and that includes wearing a mask to prevent the spread of COVID-19. KELOLAND's Perry Groten sat down with Gasson for his first on-camera interview as CEO.
It's a great opportunity to...
Bill Gasson says his top priority as the new president and CEO of Sanford Health is listening to the physicians and nurses on the front lines of the coronavirus pandemic.
I need to hear from them. I need to understand what's important to them to make sure that they're getting the resources and understand that we're responsive to those needs.
Gasson says hearing from the medical experts is important because at 40 years old, he acknowledges he's young to be the head of a regional healthcare system.
I haven't seen the things that maybe more seniored healthcare executives have. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to really lean into and rely upon the experts around me.
Gasson says he expects COVID-19 numbers to climb in South Dakota, but he's encouraged about the potential for a vaccine being available, possibly by the end of the year.
We still got to act each and every day like it's not coming and make sure that we prepare that way. I do think it's coming, but we can't rely on that. We've got to do everything that we possibly can to protect our people right now and to protect our communities.
South Dakota does not have a statewide mask mandate, but Gasson says it's something that the state should implement to protect more people from the coronavirus.
It'd be fantastic if we didn't have to mandate it, but in the best interest of public health, it looks as though that's going to be the most effective way to accomplish that, and so as a result, I'm in full support.
Gasson says he's approaching his new job with a narrow focus, while at the same time dealing with the complexities of a deadly pandemic.
No matter what else is going on around us, no matter what noise is out there nationally, locally, regionally, I've got one question that I have to answer each and every single day. What is in the best interest of our patients? And that's my focus, is to answer that.
In Sioux Falls, Perry Groten, KELOLAND News.
Gasson has a law degree from the University of South Dakota. He was serving as Sanford's Health Chief Administrative Officer before becoming CEO. Gasson says that his mother inspired his interest in the medical field by her work as a registered nurse. His dad, Matt Gasson, is the head of Feeding South Dakota.